Today, very specially, as our chairman has said, I want to make a press statement about the Attorney General of Malaysia's failure to act against those responsible for publishing the article Tinjauan Al-Islam dalam Gereja, mencari kesahitan remaja Melayu murtad. All right, that is for this date. See, I've read with disappointment the letter from the Police Diraja Malaysia, IPD Dan Wangi, wherein it states that the DPP instructs that there is no further action on the police report lodged by Sudhagaran Stanley with respect to the recent article appearing in the May 2009 issue of Al-Islam entitled Tinjauan Al-Islam dalam Gereja, mencari kesahihan remaja Melayu murtad. I'm saddened by the article written by Muhammad Rizwan Abdul Jalil alias Erwans. The journalist had displayed utmost disrespect to the Catholic community when he admits receiving and spitting out the Holy Communion, then photographing the sacred species, and worse, publishing the incident in the Al-Islam magazine. It is utterly disrespectful and sacrilegious because Holy Communion is fundamental and central to Catholic belief and is always held in the highest honor. Indeed, we Catholics believe that during Mass, the host is transformed and becomes the body of Christ, and when it is in this form, it is sacred. Its desecration is a most heinous offense. It is thus not only disrespectful, but shows contempt for our belief and a hatred for the Church when our belief is violated. It appears that the DPP's instructions of no further action implies and conveys the message that no crime has been committed, despite an admission by the journalist of desecrating the Holy Communion. There are sufficient provisions in the Penal Code for this purpose. If those in authority fail in their duty to take action against the perpetrators, then others will feel less compelled to act within the constraints of the law and basic civilized norms of decency, if this or like incidents are repeated. The lack of action would appear to legitimize the actions of the journalist. The Catholic Lawyers Society, Kuala Lumpur, did on 27th August 2009 present a memorandum on the matter to the Honorable Home Minister, which was received by his Deputy Yang Berhormat Dato' Abu Seman. We have not heard of any action taken by the government. This silence does not augur well for the interreligious harmony and peace. What is even more intolerable is the failure on the part of the journalist, the editor and the magazine, and its publisher to own up and offer a public apology. Good sense must prevail. Such a modest act would go a long way to heal the wound in the Catholic community caused by their actions. In this connection, the Catholic community in Silibin Ipoh are also disappointed and carry their hurt feelings due to the inaction of the police over the reports made regarding the demonstrations in the church compound by some unruly crowd in the year 2006. The government must be proactive and take the appropriate action to prevent a recurrence of such incidences. In making this statement, I am advocating greater understanding, and foremost respect for all concerned. We live in a multicultural and multi-religious community. There's a need to be respectful of each other's beliefs, failing which we will lose sight of our own humanity and dignity, the very basis of the One Malaysia concept. We will continue, however, to pray God the Almighty to give enlightenment to all concerned parties.